How to repair your Windows PC with DISM commands. Hello everybody, today we will be guiding you on that, so without any delay, let's just get right into the video. First of all, you can just go ahead to the search bar in the button below and search for CMD here, and then run it as administrator and allow access. And once you've given access, you can follow up these commands. So first of all, we can just go ahead and scan health, or let's say check health of check health using the DISM command. So for that, you just need to go ahead and type in capital DISM and space. And once that is done, backslash space, online, type in online. After that, space, backslash again, and type in cleanup and dash image, and then give a backslash space, backslash, and check health, and hit enter, and it will start checking your health, and it will say no component store corruption detected if the operation has been completed successfully. Now number 2 is using DISM with the ScanHealth option. This time you can go ahead and type in the same that we typed in earlier, DISM. It should be in capital, and then space slash online space slash health, cleanup image, clean up dash image, and then space and slash, and this time type in scan health and hit enter, and it will start running it, and you can wait for another prompt. Now the third prompt you can use is DISM with the RestoreHealth option. In order to do so, you can type in DISM space backslash. After that, online space backslash cleanup image, clean up dash image, space slash, and restore health this time, and hit enter, and it will start doing so. And while running DISM using the RestoreHealth or ScanHealth, you will notice the process will seem stuck at 20% or 40%, but it's a normal behavior. After a few minutes, the operation will finish as expected. And once that is done, we can just go ahead and type in other possible DISM commands. So once this completes, wait for this to be complete first. So once it completes, you can just go ahead and type in another command, which is dism.exe space backslash online, and then space backslash space cleanup dash image slash, and type in analyze component store, and hit enter, and it will start doing so. After that, you can type in startup component cleanup and then reset the base. You can just go ahead and type in the same. Let me just go ahead and copy and paste this. Cleanup image, and just do so, which is this one right here. After that, hit enter here, and it will start doing so. And once that is done, you can wait for this one to be completed as well. And the last command we can be typing is same. At last, you can type in reset base after this completes, which is this right here. And once this is typed in, you can just go ahead and hit enter, and hopefully some of these methods should fix your Windows errors. So therefore, these are some of the DISM commands that you can follow up in order to repair your Windows PC for now. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.